folks, hope everybody's doing well today. Here's Carolyn.
Welcome back everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be showing you a seed haul. This is what the past few years I've asked for Valentine's Day. Instead of candy and flowers, I would rather have flower seeds where I can enjoy them all summer.
Now you heard it there, folks.
But first, I'm going to do Baker Creek. And see what I got this year.
Carolyn picked all these out.
Yeah. Okay, I've got a pink dandelion. Sahara Rudbeckia. Queen Lime Orange Zinnia.
All right, what's next, Sue? Folks, that there is little Noelle in the background. She just drunk her bottle, so I don't know what she's wanting now. Alrighty.
Okay, Aztec Sunset Zinnia.
Our cameraman left us there. He went to go tend to the Noelle.
Yeah.
So hopefully we're getting that there. Okay.
The Arcadian Blend Mexican Sunflower. These are really pretty. I've done the orange, not the yellow. Or grew the orange. Chocolate Cherry Sunflower. These are real pretty.
Sunflower seeds taste like chocolate?
No. Evening Sun Sunflower. And the Black Magic Cosmos. And I got a free thing of lettuce.
Tell me what the name of that lettuce is.
I'm not going to try it. I don't know. Okay.
It's that kind, folks.
And from migardener, I got the candy stripe mix. I've grew these before, but I'm out. They're really pretty. The Dwarf Purity White Cosmo. And the Black Swan Poppy. I thought that was real pretty. And there's mine.
And I'll order a few more seeds, folks. Can you have too many seeds? These ones here come from migardener. We got some of these little sugar pie pumpkin seeds this year. We're going to try this watermelon. Dixie Queen. Hopefully you can see that there. And also, we got some dill. We've never had our own dill. And after trying those pickles, it is a great recipe, folks. Tipper shared it with us. It's a great recipe. We're definitely, Lord willing, going to make them again this year. In fact, I even bought some of these seeds. Like I said, it's a sad time. It's just now February and we're done out of pickles. So that there's, and they were still crunchy.
Yeah.
That was a winner. And gonna be having some cauliflower. Ordered a few more cabbage seed, different variety. And these ones here, I'm going to be honest, I don't remember ordering these. After a little bit more investigating, folks, apparently Carolyn had added that to my order. We're going to try them, though. We'll let you know how they are.
They look good.
They look good. Let's see here. Now, you've probably heard me mention this before. My favorite eating tomato is German pink. We've been using the same seed over and over, and I thought this year, I mean, we're still going to use that there, but I thought we'd try getting another pack of a different strain variety of it there and try. And then also, I've always heard good things about these tomatoes. Granny Cantrells. Going to try a couple of those. And last year there, several people asked us for plants of the Mr. Stripey.
Yep.
Well, we never did have seed. We always had Hillbilly, Big Rainbow. Well, this year when they asked for it there, now watch, they won't ask for it this year, but and we're going to try also, this is like it's a paste tomato, 10 Fingers of Naples. Just to add along, we'll have a few plants of that there. We always try to incorporate every year a different variety of tomato or something, just to try to see. Let me take these glass back off. There's probably a glare. We always just try to have, see if we like something different. And there's been several tomatoes throughout the years that just didn't work out for us. Just bad luck, or we didn't like the taste, or something like that there. But when we get done filming this, we won't be showing you in this video. I'm gonna start our pepper plants, and we'll have that it'll be a quick short video. It'll be using the milk jugs.
Yeah.
We save milk jugs up to a point. We try to save what we think we'll need and stuff like that there. Save them. And then we'll just have the little mini greenhouses, get our plants started. And so y'all be watching this February 19th. So today's the 18th. It's about a week earlier this year, ain't it?
Yeah.
From what we started last year, I believe. Right at a week. And it just takes peppers a lot longer to germinate and to grow.
Yeah.
And then a few more weeks, we'll get our tomatoes started. I've still got to get a new waterbed heater ordered for up there in the greenhouse. Homestead went out on that one last year, and we just made do with it until we got through. Still need to get all of our trays. Here it is, February 18th, and it's already feels like we're behind.
Yeah.
But I want to go through and bleach out all of our trays and everything, make sure there's no disease or anything like that there, and just we're slowly getting there. But like I said, still February. Right now it's 30 degrees outside. Last night it got down to 15.
Yeah.
But it just, like I said, feels like we're behind. Folks, hope y'all have a blessed day, blessed week. We may throw in the pepper video before Friday. We'll have our What's for Supper Wednesday. But
Yep.
we'll probably throw the pepper video in before Friday. That way, if you want to get your seed started, might help you out a little bit. It's basically the same thing that we did last year.
Yep.
Except this year we're actually we're not going to start none in plastic bags this year. We're just going to do the little mini greenhouse, the milk jug. Anything you'd like to add?
Nope.
Once again, folks, you heard her. That's what she said she wanted for Valentine's Day.
Yep. That's what I wanted.
We went out and ate too. So.
Yeah. That's what I wanted.
Okay. We got it on film.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Folks, hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you maybe tomorrow. Maybe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank y'all for watching.
Ain't you gonna talk?
Okay, stop it. Hello, folks. Hope everybody's
Hello.
doing well. Go ahead, Shug. Speak.
Today we're gonna be doing seed
GoPro,
haul.
stop. GoPro, stop recording. Hello, folks. Hope everybody's doing well. Carolyn?
Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Tonight we're going to be showing you a seed haul. That didn't sound right.
Come on.
Last time, come on.
Just go on in there. I'll reach over with the seed.
Well, we can say. Go.